My passion started with the simple curiosity for how things work. In Maritime, that curiosity transformed into expertise. I started my career as a marine engineer working with systems on board a vessel. I learned firsthand what it takes to keep the vessel running safely. With time, my path evolved and new opportunities opened up. I found myself stepping into ship management as a vessel manager. This meant bringing my seafaring expertise such as propulsion systems, electrical engineering, and the safety compliance on shore. Transitioning from sea to shore opened my eyes to the sheer scale of the global trade. But visiting my family in India after stopping at ports across the world showed me that shipping is sustained by a vibrant and global workforce. This connectivity is what keeps the pulse of this global trade beating. Out at sea, every day is dynamic. Crew safety, optimizing vessel performance, and sustainability needs to be looked after. But that's the draw. There is a profound sense of fulfillment when you connect the dots and solve the problem. I think one of the reasons why I thrive in an environment that is fast-paced is because I stay active a lot, moving between people, systems, and decisions without a pause. This movement is seen in the way I work with my team. I speak to all the crew on board. I bring a specialist when it is needed. I look at the systems, the risks, the decisions that need to be made. You don't always see the ship, but you always feel the responsibility of it. And when you finally stand next to it, you understand why. You see everything, the hull, the structure, the systems that actually keep it moving. And you realize this is not just the technical work. You contribute to moving the world. But more than the ship, it's the people on board. As a vessel manager today, I firmly resonate with the challenges that my colleagues at sea faces. We walk through them together, despite being thousands of miles apart, and this keeps our bond stronger. At TK, the ships we operate brings energy to the world, energy that powers industries and sustains daily life. This responsibility keeps us clear-minded and focused to ensure our vessels continue to move safely, efficiently, and responsibly. The future of the industry is already being shaped today as the pace of the digitalization accelerates. From smarter systems on board to real-time support on shore, it's changing how ships are operated, managed, and supported. We are moving with the times, but I believe one thing will remain: the people who run these ships. They are actually the heart of every vessel. If I had to say something to someone starting out, be open, keep learning, because this is not just about the ships. It's about what they make possible. Being part of something that keeps the world moving, that's what really matters.